Hello creators. Every e-commerce store has a very clear objective to sell products online. But in certain cases, you don't want to show product details or even products to all visitors at your store. Online store, of course. Like when you are trying to make a wholesale store and that can be accessed only by members or through club members, or when we want to restrict all e-commerce content, shop, products, category or cart, etc. For the intended users or for specific users, or only guest can see the site pages while e-commerce is hidden. So this can be a very common requirement when we are targeting a online store, but with defined access levels, basically for logged in users. So here comes a requirement to make a private e-commerce store that we are going to explore in this video. So we have a very exact plugin for this purpose, and we can create a hidden shop using this plugin, and we can completely hide our e-commerce store from the public, and we can unlock for logged in users, or with a secret password the users can access the products of a store. And this is perfect delivery for wholesale or private member areas. So I'll show you a very quick demo, and this plugin is from Barn2, and this plugin is called, I believe, I'll show you the plugin name. So it is simply named as WooCommerce Private Store. So the plugin name itself is in self-explanatory. Okay. So if we check the demo, how it works on the front end, let us assume here is the store and the password login or user login. So password login is the area where we need a secret password to unlock the store. Like here, unlock a store is the password. So I'm going to log in here, and it is here. So it gives me access to all products now with all features and pricing. In another option, we have user login or register user login option, where the users can access, the registered user can access the store. Like this is the login and this is the password. So I'm using the demo from the plugin developer itself, so you can also access the same. Now I'm logged in, and now I can check the orders, if any, or the products or shop pay, single product, we can say. So this is a single product, and similarly I can access everything on this store like an simple e-commerce. But until I am not logged in, I cannot see any of these details of e-commerce area. So using this plugin, we are going to easily hide our entire e-commerce store and make it private. And so we have customizable login rules, like this is a store password, select login page, or your store private privacy is our priority. Okay, that is fine. So now I'll take you to the backend of this setup. So I have already installed the plugin, and I'll take you to the setting screen directly. Okay, so this is the setting area, and that you can access through the WooCommerce setting. And here is the new tab, private store, where first of all we need to put our license key that you'll get at the purchase order, purchase details, with the purchase details, of course. So a store password is the first thing that you can set, and you can also use a setup wizard. I'll show you the setup wizard as well. First of all, I'll show you the options on this screen. So store password is the password which will unlock your store. So we can use multiple passwords here. So either you can put 1, 2, 3, 4 password to share with different users, and you can set a password through which the store can be accessed. Further, you can set the validity of a store, for how many days the password will remain active. I mean, the number of days the store remains unlocked for each user after entering the password for each user, right? And the redirect URL is the feature where we can redirect user to a specific page after unlocking the store. This is also good. Further, we have an option to automatically unlock the store for logged in users. So who is already logged in, the store will be unlocked for them. Further, we have the login form like page title, login page title, the message, the password label, or the placeholder, or the login button. So this is simple setting. When we are using the setup wizard, so we can simply set all these things using a wizard, on screen wizard. First of all, licensing part, and then we can go for next. And here we are. We have option to anyone with a valid password or logged in user. So we can enable both of these. So we can go to the next. We can put the password here and further multiple password as I shown on the setting screen. Password valid for how many days and the redirect URL. And next is the page title for the user will log in. I mean the login page, the message, the password label and all. And it is going to be so simple. So you can select the roles for which the store is going to be unlocked. So this is also a very important setting. So you can allow only a specific role to access your store. So like if you are creating a role like a contributor or whatever it may be, so you can allow only them to access your store. And we can go for next. Extra features is all access pass. So get all 24 all the feature plugin in one low price. Okay, that is just commercial from the plugin developer. WooCommerce bulk variations and product type. Okay, this is just so we can finish the setup through this setup wizard and all is done. So it is more than simple, I believe, that you can enable the private WooCommerce store using this password, and whereas your WooCommerce all products remain same and you will keep posting your products and all, right? Like I opened this store on another private browser. It is asking for password since we need to enter the password to access this store. And the password that we set here is password 123. So I'll open the store just to check and I'll hit the enter and the store should be open for me. Yes, it is open. So it is a simple control, but this is very important when you are willing to set up a private WooCommerce store. I feel this plugin is going to help you to meet your objective, and in the next video I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress websites. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, don't miss to subscribe and allow the notification. Thank you.